In my last video, I introduced you to thinking blocks or ratios. We're going to go back there for today's lesson. So once you click on the link, remember to click the blue Play Now. You also may need to click down in the bottom right-hand corner, Open in Safari. So if you click the blue Play Now, it'll load. It'll look exactly the same. You're going to press that arrow again.
Let's get started.
Instead of going to missing quantity, this time we're going to go to the one next to it that says total. Click right on that. It's going to look exactly the same, but you'll notice that the question mark has changed, or where the number goes will have changed. All right, so here's this problem. The ratio of boys to girls at the basketball game was 8-3. I'm going to read that sentence again. The ratio of boys to girls at the basketball game was 8-3. I noticed that boys got mentioned first, so I'm going to put boys on the top and girls down below. The ratio was 8-3. The first number mentioned was 8, so I'm going to put 8 on the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the bottom is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to press the check mark. Now I'm looking at the next sentence. Will counted 36 girls. So 36 has to go right here with girls. But you might also notice that there's another spot that's a little bit different. In our last lesson, the question mark would have gone with the top row. From beginning to end would have been that question mark. But now I notice that the question mark goes on the side, which is top to bottom. That means the top plus the bottom is the question mark. Dragging over to the side, let's look up. On the top was boys, on the bottom was girls. So my question mark is going to be together, boys and girls. Let's go to the question up on the top. How many children are at the basketball game all together? Yeah, that's the boys plus the girls. All right. So to figure this out, I need to figure out what number goes inside each of these green blocks down here on the bottom to make 36 total girls. So I can guess 10, 10, 10. Man, that didn't work. Let's see. Again, 36 right here. I could put in 20, 20, 40, 60. That didn't work. All right. Or I could think, because each of these boxes is exactly the same size, the total of 36 is getting split into 3 boxes. That's division. Division is splitting into equal size. So this problem in my calculator is 36 split into 3. Right? So you can use your calculator for that, just like I did last time. Try and bring it up here. Calc. There it is. Okay. 36 split into 3 equals, it's 12. That number is what I need to put in each box. So here we go. 12, 12, 12. But it's every single green box. So last time we did this, the question would have been how many boys are there? But now it's all together. So I have a couple of different options. On the top, from beginning to end, is a times problem. 12 times, and there are 8 green boxes. I got that from the ratio problem that said 8-3. So 12 times 8, and I can put that in my calculator. 12 times 8, that's 96. Put that back here. Oh, I lost it. Remember, that happens. 12 times 8 is 96. So there are 96 boys, and we know that there's 36 girls. Remember, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. So I could do 96 plus 36 in my calculator. Let's try a different way to do this one this time. We'll drag it up next to it. Okay, 96 plus 36. Look at that, I lost it again. Right, and we get 132. Man. All right, it was 132. Grab this draw again. That was 96 plus 36, 132. Or, remember each one of these was 12s? So at this point, I could ask myself, how many 12s are there all together? There are 8 12s on the top. There are 3 12s on the bottom. That means I actually have 11 groups of 12. That's 11 times 12. I'm going to put that in my calculator. 11 times 12. I'm going to get the same answer. It doesn't matter if you add the top to the bottom. Again, that was 96 up here. So 96 with 36, 96 boys plus 36 girls. Or if you say we have groups of 12 and there are 11 altogether, 11 times 12. So my answer is 132. If you're having some trouble filling in your answer button, you might need to press the C button underneath the dollar sign and then press 132, green check. Awesome. Just like the last time you did this, I want you to keep going. There it goes. I want you to keep going until you have 5 stars in the bottom right-hand corner. Then take a screenshot and turn it into me.